For 2 weeks every January, Canary Wharf holds a winter light festival, which includes not only temporary installations but also their permanent collection. It helps to go in the order on the map, but it is not imperative. I started at Reuters Plaza and followed a clockwise direction around the trail. The permanent collection have letters and the temporary one numbers. There are also some photos during the day for a comparison. The first exhibit you come to is part of the permanent collection. It is words made from thousands of perfectly timed falling water droplets. You can watch this for ages and not see the same word twice. The Clue is another permanent exhibit and is made from 100 circles of red light that cover the Cubit Steps Bridge. It offers a nice reflection on the water during the evening. This is made from 32 bathtubs stacked on top of each other, with music playing and lights changing. It encourages you to go and stand inside them. This comprises 12 rings, which show how much light is available each month of the year. These coloured panels are permanent, but are only lit during the actual Winter Light Festival. Error is a large installation on the middle of the roundabout, and is really impressive to watch it turn. The wave consists of 500 light orbs, and is also accompanied by music. The large droplets float on the water and are constantly changing colour. Stitching Light tells the histories of Bangladesh women through use of traditional fabrics. Artificial Humans is spread over 2 different sites. For this work, they asked AI to generate an image of a light installation. This was then used to create the actual figures. Before going up to Crossrail Place, have a look at the two installations in front of the building. Both of these are part of the permanent collection. Now go back and up and into the bridge which goes into Crossrail Place. The bridge itself is worth going to visit on its own. The second part is in the conservatory of Crossrail Place. The lights are constantly changing colours as well as a soundtrack to go with it. The bird is made from 64 sections which constantly change colour, with sound to go with it as well. Portal is a 13-metre high arch with LED lights that move and shift. The light benches are in Jubilee Park and are part of the permanent collection. Positive Spin is indoors at the bottom of Jubilee Place. You stand up and push the buttons and receive a random fortune. Illusion Hole is the final piece, and it appears to channel light into a swirling black hole. You can stand and watch it for ages, being mesmerised by the movement. It is certainly an event I look forward to each year. If you like this, why not hit the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe as new content is regularly put up.